हकीम साहब को करना है थैंक यू सर।
मेरी पानी की बोतल पड़ी होगी शीशे की।
जनाब आसिफ ज़रदारी साहब, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान and chairman of Pakistan People's Party, respected Senator Salim Mandiwala, Chief Whip, Senate, Minister of State and Chairman Senate Standing Committee on Finance and Revenue, Mr. Nayyib Bukhari, former Senator, Madam Rukhsana Bangish, former MNA, Mr. Anjum Nisar, our former President, FPCCI, and our group leader, Mr. Nawaz Shirad Ali Khan, distinguished guests, EC and GB members of FPCCI, President of
I totally believe that Pakistan has to go to double digits exports. That doesn't mean 20 billion, that means 200 billion. And there is no way, there's nothing we lack. There's nothing you lack. There's not the brain, the manpower, everything we have. I don't believe in even getting foreign investors, because foreign investor will take from you, they'll put in $1 and they'll take $5 out. They have to. It's their business. जितना बड़ा आदमी है उतना बड़ा रिटर्न मांगता है. So we can do it among ourselves. पंजाब के इतने बड़े बिजनेसमैन हैं, आप इकट्ठे हो जाएं, इंडस्ट्रीज चूज कर लें, उस पे ग्रुप्स बना लें, आप बनाएं एंड अपने जेब से डालें. वी विल गारंटी देम, वी विल गारंटी दोज लोन्स, वी विल गारंटी योर इन्वेस्टमेंट. Mahathir came to Pakistan when he was invited, and one sentence I remember of his is better than anything else. He said, पहले अपने लोगों को अमीर तो करो, फिर टैक्स करो. So the whole question is that we keep trying to churn out juice out of the people who are already taxed, कि थोड़ा और दे दे, थोड़ा और दे दे. वो पैसे मर रहा है, उसको तो और टैक्स लेके क्या करेगा? And who the hell believes in 21% Kaigo rates? खुदा का खौफ करो यार, अल्लाह से डरो. This is not a joke. An economy is not for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. It's for our coming children of our children. It's the coming generation to come. And believe me, अगर आपकी 2-2.5 billion, 250 billion की 300 billion की एक्सपोर्ट हो, you will forget कि जी फौज में इतना खर्चा हो रहा था, उससे इतना खर्चा हो रहा. There is nothing like that. We're not spending any money. We're not earning any, how will we spend? So we have to try and take ourselves above this mindset जो हमने बनाया हुआ है. आप सिंध में ही देख लें कि जहां हमें थोड़ा मौका है और फ्रीडम मिलती है, तो मैं कमोडिटीज की प्राइसेस बढ़ा देता हूं, वो पूरे पाकिस्तान में बढ़ जाती हैं. अब ये मुझसे नाराज होते हैं, इवन एज फार एज द